So my name is Anas Al Kassas. I'm the founder and CEO of INOVUES and the inventor of the technology. I'm an architect and a facade systems engineer by background and practice. And I started INOVUES. We provide the only technology that enables existing building facades to be retrofitted with the latest energy saving and smart glass innovations without removal, replacement, or disruption. So through our non-invasive insulating glass retrofits, we offer building owners a high ROI, low carbon window upgrade solution that reduces energy consumption by up to 40%, improves occupants' thermal and acoustic comfort, and increases the value and sustainability of the existing buildings.
I'm Joe Heng, founder and Managing Director of Climatec Corp. We're a startup company formed by 4 individuals with very different backgrounds, but all sharing a common goal, which in our various ways and means to do our part in tackling climate change. You can pattern by the name that was chosen. And the solution that we presented is called the Climate Control Quantum Resonance Water, QRW in short, which is a chemical-free water treatment solution for cooling towers that requires no power to operate. It saves water and energy that is what we think is superior to what is available in the existing market.
It's really securing early adopters. In the commercial real estate industry, it's a risk-averse industry, so no one wants to be the first one to try a new technology. So especially where the technology or the solution is a hardware or hard tech, it's not like a software application. So penetrating the market to commercialize the technology and raising funding to do so is really one of our biggest challenges at the beginning.
Yeah, as a startup, I think with no track record in the beginning, it took a lot of effort and hard work and determination. And looking back, perhaps we could say that we made our luck vis-a-vis the amount of effort we put in developing our capabilities, the expertise, and building up the trust in our relationships with clients. So we were fortunate that we had some experience in the water treatment using the solid chemistry. But for the adoption, I think the clients that we already had, based on their trust in us, they went ahead and they gave us the track record and the portfolio that we have, which is expanding currently.
CapitaLand is one of the largest real estate owners and developers in Asia, and have a strong commitment to innovation and sustainability. Was really appealing to us because we knew that our solution resonate with them and would be a good fit to make an impact across their portfolio with properties not only in Asia, even here in the US as well. So that was really appealing to us.
CapitaLand itself, and me being Singaporean, we know what CapitaLand is all about. They're also one of the pioneers in sustainability back in 2000. Industry leaders with BCA Green Mark Platinum Champion Award in 2020. And of course, the latest 2030 Sustainability Master Plan. So, and with Climatec as a company focused on these very similar value drivers, we hope that we could play our part in this CapitaLand strategic blueprint.
It was learning more about the commercial real estate market in Asia in general and Singapore in particular, and understanding how beneficial our solution could be to buildings that are in completely different climate zones and have completely different construction and vintage. So that was eye-opening. That was interesting to see, and we ended up running several energy models on buildings in different locations and in Singapore as well to really understand how our solution would perform there. So that was also an interesting part of the journey.
Well, it definitely wasn't a fill up the form, submit a presentation, and wait for the competition finale. I mean, from the moment that you were shortlisted a lot more effort and work had to be put in to prepare the perfect pitch. We learned many new skills and attributes during this entire mentoring and coaching period, which will serve us well moving forward.
It started with trying to identify the right location that would be feasible for a conclusive pilot, where you can really measure the impact of the solution and be able to determine how successful this solution would be for other properties or for other buildings in different locations. So that was a big challenge at the beginning. And I can say really right now it's after 6 months, I mean, we've been working on that. And after that, we had to run some energy models on the buildings that we selected and run scenarios with our system to identify the perfect option. So right now, I'm happy to say that, we finalized the agreements with all parties and started collecting data for measurement and verification. And the results will be published at the end by a reputable third party. So this project and the final report is going to be really helpful for us, because it will provide a real-world validation of our technology on a larger scale. So we're super excited about it.
From the competition till right now, I think we really impressed with the CapitaLand team on their level of participation, and of course they're always there to help you, guide you, and that's really good. I mean, you can meet clients that have a different mindset, but the team has been really open and very helpful in all meeting what we require.
I believe that having good communication skills and understanding exactly what the participants want to get out of the program, and then being laser focused on achieving that goal is really, I think, would be some of the top, qualities or skills that would help participants succeed or win at the end.
You have to have innovation. I think what we saw really, like I said, was an eye-opener. There are things that you wouldn't imagine without this competition. I've seen a lot of new innovation, technology, adaptability, meaning you need to customize your solution. You have something great, but how do you sell it? We learned a lot doing that. And of course, finally, the drive to make it happen. Because it's not simple and straightforward. You have to put in the minutes and the hours. I think the one thing that you should avoid is demonstrating that your solution is the one and only and the best, and that you'd be a fool not to take it, because I think there's no one right way to do to solve a problem. So you need to be humble. You need to, like I said, adaptable. You need to take in comments, remarks, feedback, advice, and turn it into a positive spin.
And at the same time, at the end, mastering the pitch is really important. How can you distill technical solutions and technologies to a few words and present it in a very simple and concise way, in an interesting, sort of like a storyteller type presenter. So that's very, I believe, is very important, because if people don't understand your solution real quick, they'll lose interest and they might not really listen to you, as you go through your presentation.